To today's video where we will be exploring the fascinating science behind the creativity. Have you ever wondered what happens in your brain when you're creating something new, whether it's a piece of art or a story or any other idea? There's a lot of functioning which is going on inside the brain. And today we're going to dive in slowly and understand what happens in our brain when we practice working out this muscle and how it helps in developing the cognitive functions in our system. So let's see the science of creativity unlocking our brain potential. Creativity is a complex process that involves several regions of brain working together in harmony. Let's start with the prefrontal cortex. It's often referred to as a brain control center and which we hardly use. We normally use a limbic brain, which is also called as emotional brain. But this part of the brain, cortex, neocortex, is used for decision making, problem solving, and critical thinking. It is all essential components of the creative process. And then we have these parietal lobes, which helps in visualizations and manipulating your ideas and thinking outside the box. Now, all these things, when you start working, these regions communicate and collaborate together, we experience what we know as the divergent thinking, the ability to generate multiple ideas and solutions for a single starting point. This is the hallmark of creativity. Now, when we are engaging in ourselves in the creative activity, we just don't produce art or ideas. It has a profound effect on the brain's cognitive functions. When you're involved in creative tasks, your brain forms new neural connections and strengthens existing ones. This part is also called as a neuroplasticity. That means your brain, the capacity to grow new connections, to capacity to adapt, capacity to learn and to solve problem increases day by day. Studies have shown us that people who are regularly engaged in creative activities such as painting, writing, playing music, learning new language tend to have better memory, improved problem solving skills, and a greater ability to think critically. Creativity also reduces stress and anxiety by activating the brain reward pathways, releasing dopamine, the new feel-good neurotransmitter. Now, let's break this into the creative process into the three main stages. क्या होती हैं तीन main stages? Preparation, incubation, and elimination. Now, during the preparation stage, the brain gathers the information and inspiration, drawing on the knowledge, experiences, and the external stimuli. This is when the brainstorming ideas or experimenting with the different approaches is happening. Now coming through the incubation period, where the brain subconsciously process the information while you are not actively thinking on it. This stage often occurs when you are doing something unrelated to your creative task, like you are talking or walking or even sleeping. Finally, we have the elimination stage, which is known as aha moment. This is when your brain connects the dots, add a new idea, and the solution emerges. It's that sudden spark of creativity that feels it like it comes out of nowhere. But in reality, it is the result of brain's hard work behind the scenes. So one of the most effective ways to unlock your brain's cognitive potential is through art. When you are painting or drawing or sculpting, the act of creating engages the multiple regions simultaneously. This not only boosts your creativity but also enhances other cognitive functions. For example, drawing and painting improves your finer motor skills and hand-eye coordination while also enhancing spatial reasonings and attention to details. Engaging in these activities regularly can also sharpen your focus, improve your memory, and even increase your emotional resilience. And moreover, you are helping this neocortex part of the muscle getting activated, and more you work, the more it works. So it is like giving the practice to this muscle. Moreover, art therapy has been shown to be particularly effective in helping individuals process emotions, reduce stress, and improve overall mental well-being. By making art, you're just not creating something beautiful. You're also giving your brain a powerful work out. In conclusion, creativity is just not a mysterious gift, it's a skill that can be nurtured and developed. By understanding the science behind creativity and engaging in regular creative activities, you can unlock your brain's full potential and enhance your cognitive abilities. If you're interested in exploring more about creativity and the brain, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what creative activities help you unlock your potential. Remember, the more you engage with your creativity, the more you will discover just how powerful your brain can be. This ways, and similarly, we would have on Thursday release our therapy video in which you can actually practice how you can practice, which will have the simple exercise you can practice and do it at your own pace, looking at the video and get the first-hand experience. So stay tuned, dive into the magic of what brain can do for you and how art can enhance your brain functioning. See you there. Thank you.